Hello friends, welcome back to WP Hope, and this is me Monica going to tell you about discount offer for Elementor Pro in Black Friday. Indeed, it's running Black Friday shopping and Cyber Monday week. Talking about what is Black Friday, actually Black Friday is a colloquial term for the Friday following Thanksgiving in the United States. Many stores offer highly promoted sales at discount price on Thanksgiving. Black Friday has routinely been the busiest shopping day of the year in the United States since 2005. Simply, we can regard Black Friday as a Thanksgiving weekend where you can get items and objects at discounted price. In order to take advantage of this, virtually all the retailers in the country, big and small, offer the various sales including limited amount of door booster items to attract traffic. So, wherever you are in any part of the world, you can take the advantage of Black Friday weekend. Talking about Elementor Pro, here you can get a huge discount on price in cyber sales. If you consider to get the Elementor Pro, then this is the best week to get it with a lot of discounts. Now, what I will do is going to show you pricings and features of the plans. So, in order to make use of discounts, let's go to the 40corp.com. So here let's type 40corp.com/Elementor. Then now you can reach to the website of Black Friday sales. Here you can enjoy up to the 50% off too. So here you can see on platform unlimited creations. So now first let's go to the pricing. So here in the price you can see the several plans and you can get 30 days money back guarantee on all plans if you don't like it. So let's discuss about the each pricings of this Elementor Pro. The first plan is of $44 per year. It can be used in only one Pro website. If you have only one website, then this plan is best for you. Previously, this plan was of $49 per year, so during Black Friday weekend it is reduced by $5 with 10% off. Here are some of the features of these plans. So you can have advantage of drag and drop live editor. You can easily add required website kit in your website editor just by dragging and dropping. Similarly, you can have a responsive design. The created design will respond in both laptops and cell phones. You can create animated and motions designs too. Furthermore, there is a feature of 90 plus basics and pro widgets which makes easy to access the services. Next, you can get 300 plus basics and pro templates for quick creation of websites. Likewise, 60 plus websites kits are available in the Elementor Pro. This really makes you easy to add much more new kits to your website. There is also a feature of Theme Builder, which provides a visual overview of the site elements of your site that make you easy to select best or suitable theme to your website. Lastly, you can get the premium support, means you can have access to the premium features and website kits which are not available in a free version. So, for the only one per website, this plan is best for you. Similarly, there is another plans for 3 Pro website. It is a bit advanced than the previous one. Here, all the features are similar, but here you can get this plan at a $79 per year. Previously, it was $99, but now it is discounted up to 20%. And so, if you want to build or have access to the 3 Pro websites, then you can use this Elementor Pro. This would be the good plan. So now the third plan is the most popular plan. It is for the 25 Pro websites and we can regard it as expert plan too. So you can get this plan at $139 per year, which was previously $199, and you can get 30% off on it. So the features of these are also similar to other features, but here you can get 2 additional expert features, that is 20 expert website kits and expert network profile. Actually, Expert Network connects companies with expert resources such as academics, C-levels, founders, and high-level officials to provide valuable information and data and assistance. So with this plan, you will be able to have approach of expert network profile. Furthermore, the next plan is for the 100 Pro websites, or you can regard it as a studio plan. Similarly, you can buy this plan at $299 per year. Previously, its price was $499, so now you can get 40% off in this Black Friday. So the features of these are drag and drop live editor, responsive design, 90 plus basic and pro widgets, 300 basic and pro templates, 600 pro website kit, theme builder, and VIP support. Yes, of course, you will be able to get a VIP support which provides end-to-end user support, advice, and guidance. It also responds to the customer question regarding operation and malfunctions to service end user. So VIP support is the best feature for you. Similarly, 20 expert website kits, and along with that you will get the expert network profile. So for the best plan, you can choose 100,000 Pro website agency. You can see here is a 50% off. Previously, the price of this plan was $999 per year, but now it is reduced to $499 per year. This is a huge discount for you. You can get a 50% off, and so for agency you can get a lot of discount, and this is I think this will be the best plan for you if you want to get 4,000 Pro websites. So the features are similar to that of other features, but here is only the opportunity for 50% off. So if you again have more questions related to this, then just scroll down, and here you can see some of the facts. So you can look at these questions. And so if you already have Elementor Pro but you want to get higher plans, then also you can do that it with a huge discount. There's a great offer for you, and only 6 days are left for this offer. So don't miss this opportunity. Remember, nothing is more expensive than missed opportunity. Thus, take the advantage of every opportunities. And also, don't forget to like and subscribe this channel. Thank you.